Hey Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, this is a quick Happy New Year video that I just want to make and let you guys know that I'm still alive. For all the person that haven't been following me on social media at all, any social media, whether it be Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, BBM, those are messengers, but yeah. I'm still alive, I'm still well. I've started out my editing app. I still have my camera, it's still working, and I've been doing some stuff and working on my videos on YouTube. So I just want to do this short video to thank all of my subscribers, all of my supporters. I'm kind of an intimate person where I communicate with my subscribers, whether it be through messages or commenting back on my YouTube. I'm that type of a person. You know, I love that interaction with people and meeting people from all over the world. I'm that type of person. So for all the new persons that come on my page and subscribe on my YouTube channel, you will see me interact with you regardless, you know, who you are, whatever it is. I will interact with you because I'm very friendly. I'm a loving person. So I just want to say thank you for supporting me. I've been vlogging for 5 months. Yeah, I remember last, so yeah. I've been vlogging for 5 months and it's been good. I really appreciate all the love and the support from all of you guys. I want to thank you guys for continue, journeying with me, helping me to grow, subscriber by subscriber every 2-3 days. I still appreciate that. And I just want to say that Happy New Year. It's just a couple hours away. I know in Australia and probably New Zealand, it's the New Year already. In some places it's New Year already. So I just want to say Happy New Year to all my gingerbread and jelly bean. Look how in 2016 I continue to work hard. I continue to try and get my content to be perfect. I'm not a perfectionist, but yeah. So I just want to say happy New Year. Continue to support JVLOGS. Continue to support Mark Plunkett because that's my name. The channel name is JVLOGS, but Mark Plunkett is my name. And I love you guys, just keep happy, stay safe, be positive, do something positive, contribute to society, contribute, give back, help people, just share. So if you're watching this right now, remember to subscribe. If you're new to the channel, remember vlogs post on Mondays and Thursday. And just enjoy, journey with me, enjoy yourself. I'm here in the backyard, not doing nothing, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So again, Happy New Year, lots of love. One name, big up on yourself, ladies, love uno, same way. All right.